Hello everyone, this is Ruby from Ruby Artist Studio. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a realistic lips. So as always, we will start with the base color, which in human face it's mostly the nude color, which is 137 in Faber-Castell Polychrome. Try to be patient in putting the base. It might take a while, but it pretty much determines how your further layers would go. So put it patiently and try to enjoy doing it. You basically cover the upper lips, and then when you're happy with the upper part, you put the lower lips. Try to make sure that you're not putting color everywhere, because the parts that are much more bright, they don't need any basement, or they need very little amount. If you put color everywhere, you're taking like the possibility of showing a 3D image. So try not to put the color everywhere. And then you will pick a darker color based on whatever your reference photo is, and you will apply it further. The corner part of the lips are of course darker, and today we are trying to draw a natural lip, so it is not we are not putting like the lipstick, or we are not putting the fake color. These are all the colors that are supposed to be natural colors: 137, 187, 188. All of these colors that I will write in the comment section and in the description of the video. All of these colors are the ones that you will use when you are trying to draw a natural lips. The order of the colors is very important. We always go from the brighter color to the darker ones, and try to show that the lip is not flat, and you can show it with some curves that you will do on the especially bottom part of the lips with a darker color. easily with playing with colors and the shadow, you can show the bold effect and the curved effect of the lips. And then we have the teeth part and also inside the mouth, which is of course darker because the light cannot enter that much there, so you use darker colors in this part, but not directly black. We start with brown first, and then we put very dark red, and then we will put black in the parts that are the darkest. So this is the rule of thumb, that black kind of comes the last color. As I mentioned in the earlier video, we always try to cover something further than the target point. So if we want to draw lips, we always draw a little bit of the skin around it, because it helps a lot to have the 3D effect on the paper. So as always, I will try to cover a little bit of the skin around the lips. And I use the very basic colors, the nude color and then the darker color than the nude, which is 187. Just these two colors are enough to brighten up your drawing. We are almost done with the drawing today. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I would be happy to answer your questions and hear your comments. See you in the next video.